This is the Lumia 540 dual SIM disassembly video. Before performing any repair actions, make sure you are familiar with these warnings and cautions. For disassembling, you need the Nokia Standard Toolkit version 2. You will also need the SS298 RF cable disassembly assembly tool. Protect the touch panel with protective film. Push to release the top left corner of the B cover. Then release the top right corner. Remove the B cover. Lift up the battery from the shown place. Unscrew the 9 Torx Plus size 5 screws in the shown order. Start releasing the D cover by inserting the SRT6 to the shown place and slide it along the side. Next, release the 2 clips at the bottom end. Then release the top end from the shown place. Remove the D cover. Remove the front camera connector cap and tape with tweezers. Open the locking mechanism of the front camera connector with the SS93. Remove the front camera. Open the display connector with the SS93. Remove the MBSB flex sponge. Open the locking mechanism of the MBSB flex connector on the main board. Pull out the main board end of the MBSB flex from the connector. Detach the RF cable connector from the main board with the SS298. Unscrew the 3 Torx Plus size 5 screws in the shown order. Remove the main engine board. Open the locking mechanism of the MBSB flex connector on the subboard. Remove the MBSB flex. Detach the RF cable connector from the subboard with the SS298. Use tweezers to detach the RF cable from the hooks on the A cover. Remove the RF cable. Start releasing the subboard from the shown place with the SS93. Push the SS93 under the subboard until it reaches the edge of the USB connector. Next, release the other corner from the shown place. Then release the long edge of the subboard. Remove the subboard. Remove any adhesive residue from the A-cover with a Q-tip dipped in alcohol. Release the speaker sealing sponge from the subboard with the dental tool and peel it off with tweezers. Peel off the subboard gaskets with the SS93. Remove any adhesive residue with a Q-tip dipped in alcohol. Open the main camera connector with the SS93. Remove the main camera. Remove the main camera connector sponge with the dental tool. Release the audio jack front sponge with the dental tool and peel it off with tweezers. Release the audio jack back sponge with the dental tool and peel it off with tweezers. Release the LED flash rubber with the dental tool and peel it off with tweezers. Release all the sides of the top shielding lid with the dental tool. Remove the top shielding lid. Remove the 4 thermal pads. Release the earpiece with the dental tool and remove it with tweezers. Remove the earpiece sponge. Remove the proximity sensor rubber. Remove the LCMFPC hole rubber. Start releasing the touch panel and display by inserting the SRT6 to the earpiece hole and slide it along the top end. Next, release the right side by sliding the SRT6 along the side. Next, release the left side. Then keep the top end lifted up and use the SS93 to release the bottom end. Guide the display connector through the hole on the A-cover and separate the touch panel and display from the A-cover. Note that the A-cover is not reusable. Use the sharp end of the SS93 to push out the LED flash. Remove the LED flash. Remove the flash lens adhesive from the LED flash with the dental tool. Release the vibra with the sharp end of the SS93 and remove it with tweezers. Release the IHF speaker with the dental tool and remove it with tweezers. Release the speaker mesh with the dental tool and peel it off with tweezers. Peel off the type label with tweezers. Peel off the adhesive residue with the SS93. Now the disassembly procedure is complete. 540 Dual SIM Assembly Video. You need the Nokia Standard Toolkit version 2. You will also need the SS298 RF cable disassembly assembly tool. Attach the touch panel and display to the A-cover top end first and guide the display flex through the hole on the A-cover. Press from all sides to get the touch panel properly attached. Insert the LCMF-PC hole rubber into the A-cover with tweezers. Insert the proximity sensor rubber into place. Insert the earpiece sponge into place. Press with the SS93 to activate the adhesive and peel off the protective film. Place the earpiece into position. Make sure the two shown pins are facing the right way. Press with the SS93 to activate the adhesive. Place the speaker sealing sponge on the subboard. Use the guiding lines to get the right positioning. Press all around the sponge and peel off the protective film. Place the large subboard gasket to the shown place and the three smaller subboard gaskets to the shown places. Press to activate the adhesive and peel off the protective film. Place the subboard to the A-cover bottom end first and guide the USB connector to its place. Use the two shown pins on the A-cover to get the right alignment. Gently press the subboard to activate the adhesives. Insert the subboard end of the MBSB flex into the connector. Make sure the SB mark is facing up. Also make sure the flex is properly inside the connector. Close the locking mechanism of the connector with the SS93. Place the largest thermal pad on the shown component on the main engine board and the second largest thermal pad on the shown component. Place the two smallest thermal pads on the shown components. Place the top shielding lid into position and press from all sides to get it firmly attached. Place the audio jack front sponge around the audio jack. Use the guiding lines to get the right positioning. Press to activate the adhesive. Place the audio jack back sponge around the audio jack on the other side of the main board. Use the guiding lines to get the right positioning. Press to activate the adhesive. Place the LED flash rubber into position inside the rectangle mark and press to activate the adhesive. Place the main camera connector sponge around the camera connector and press to activate the adhesive. Place the main camera into position and attach the connector. Place the main engine board on the A cover. Use the two shown pins to get the right positioning. Fasten the 3 Torx Plus size 5 screws in the shown order using a torque of 8 ± 1 Newton-centimeters. Connect the RF cable to the subboard with the SS298. Align the RF cable to the notches on the A cover. Connect the RF cable to the main engine board with the SS298. Insert the main board end of the MBSB flex into the connector. Make sure the MB mark is facing up. Also make sure the flex is properly inside the connector. Close the locking mechanism of the connector. Place the MBSB flex sponge on the MBSB connector and press to activate the adhesive. Attach the display connector. Insert the front camera flex into the connector. Make sure the flex is properly inside the connector. Close the locking mechanism of the connector and push the front camera into place. Place the front camera connector Captain tape on the front camera connector and press to activate the adhesive. Place the type label on the D cover and press to activate the adhesive. Place the speaker mesh into position and press to activate the adhesive. Place the IHF speaker into position. Make sure the two shown pins are facing the right way. Press to activate the adhesive. Place the vibra into position and press to activate the adhesive. Place the flash lens adhesive into position. Press to activate the adhesive and peel off the protective film. Place the LED flash into position and press to activate the adhesive. Place the D cover on the A cover. Press from all sides to get it firmly attached. Fasten the 9 Torx plus size 5 screws in the shown order using a torque of 10 ± 1 Newton-centimeters. Insert the battery top end first. Attach the B cover to the device bottom end first. Then push together the top end and make sure all the sides are properly attached. Now the assembly procedure is complete.